evening. Welcome to Prince of Peace Play Night. We are very excited to have you all here this evening. Some of you have been here already for 2 hours watching the two younger performances, so thank you for sticking around for the last one. We are very excited for this last one. It always is kind of the stressor of the school building this last week before the musical or play that the students decide that they really want to put the teachers on edge and not really show that they know what they're supposed to do until the very last moment. And that was definitely the case this week. But I am pleased to announce that they did get their act together in time and that this performance will be definitely a good one. A couple of other announcements before we begin. We will have concessions available afterwards if you just came now and you haven't had supper yet. And we also have our silent auction that will be wrapping up at 6:30 this evening. So if you haven't had a chance to check to see if your bid is still the top bid, that is something that you can do afterwards. Other than that, there will be a few other announcements at the end, but we are very excited to have you here this evening, and we hope you enjoy our performance of The Trial of the Big Bad Wolf.
Order! We will have order. The case of the people versus the big bad wolf will not start until you're all seated and orderly. And if you do not conduct yourselves as gentlemen, we will clear the courtroom.
What do you mean? You can't throw us out.
Yeah, we'll let taxpayers.
Yeah!
Set! Next on the docket is the case of the three little pigs versus the big bad wolf. Send in the pigs with their counsel, please.
No respect. Pigs get no respect. Put a dog in a movie and he gets an Academy Award. Put a pig on stage and they just call him a ham. No respect. Pigs get no respect. No, oh no, oh no. no respect.
No respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Never ever respect.
Never ever respect.
Not when you're a pig.
Sow, swine, pharaoh, shout, or pig.
No respect.
No respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Never ever respect.
Never ever respect.
Not when you're a pig.
Suey, suey.
Lions are kings.
Lions are kings.
Kittens can purr.
Purr, purr.
Dogs are called man's best friend. Bunnies are cute.
Bunnies are cute.
Birds can chirp.
Chirp, chirp.
But a pig is a pig is a pig is a pig till the end.
Oink, oink.
Chickens lay eggs.
Chickens lay eggs.
Bees make honey.
Bzz, bzz.
Horses can win real big.
Win real big.
Eagles can soar.
Eagles can soar.
Cows give milk.
Squirt, squirt.
But a pig is a pig is a pig is a pig is a pig.
Always forever and ever a pig.
No, oh no, oh no, oh no respect.
No respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Never ever respect.
Never ever respect.
Not when you're a pig.
Sow, swine, pharaoh, shout, or pig.
No respect.
No respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Pigs get no respect.
Never ever respect.
Never ever respect.
Not when you're a pig. No, never a pig. Not ever a pig.
Like us.
If you're quite through, we shall proceed with this trial. I presume you are Hogney Dangerfield, prosecutor for these, the three little pigs. Pretentious pig, pompous pig, and presumptuous pig.
The propriety pig, prudence pig, and patience pig.
No respect. Pigs get no respect. A monkey paints a picture and its tail is a work of art. If a pig paints it, it's called hogwash.
And for the defense, where is the wolf?
Hey, why do you need him? He's innocent.
Yeah, you got nothing on the wall.
Yeah.
I have warned you.
Hey, you want the wolf? You got the wolf.
Mr. Wolf, if these spectators do not remain quiet, I'll be forced to eject them from the premises.
Hey, we read you. You heard the man. He wants quiet, so we give him quiet. Well, what do we got here? It's the three little pigs. Pretentious pig, pompous pig, and presumptuous pig.
The propriety pig, prudence pig, and patience pig.
Well, whatever you call it, a pig's still a pig.
No respect. Pigs get no respect. On television, cats can be cute and finicky, no matter what the network. Pigs are only shown on the ham box office.
I can certainly tell this will be a trial for all of us. Hear ye, the Laney County Court of Appeals is now in session. Presiding in his eminence, Judge Malady. All rise.
I am not a well person. There are days when I have a headache, days when I have arthritis, Still some other days I suffer from rheumatism. Still some days it's lumbago. And most other days, it's a touch of the gout. Today is a day when I suffer from all of these things. Today, I am very sick. I'm not well. I got pain, ailing all over, like the plague. Should be in bed, confined, send a nurse. I'm feeling bad, so very bad. All of this pain makes me insane. I'm not my best, I need some rest. Oh, I'm really sick. I'm feeling poor, so very sore, misery and woe, 'cause I'm hurting so. Agony and ache, don't know what to take. Oh, I'm really sick. I hurt. Head to toe, side to side, in and out, all around. Thorough, send a doctor. I'm feeling bad, so very bad. All of this pain makes me insane. I'm not my best, I need some rest. Oh, I'm really sick. I'm feeling poor, so very sore, misery and woe, 'cause I'm hurting so. Agony and ache, don't know what to take. Oh, I'm really sick. Really, really sick. And since I am very sick, I want this trial to proceed in a calm, orderly, and especially quiet manner. Do you understand?
Next on the docket is the case of the three little pigs: pretentious pig, presumptuous pig, and pompous pig.
The propriety pig, prudence pig, and patience pig, Your Honor. And we have brought suit against the big bad wolf.
If it please the court, we must object.
As anyone can plainly see, our client is neither big nor bad. He is a creature of his environment, often maligned in his role of modern society.
In fact, he's the perpetrator of many good deeds. Namely, Mr. Wolf recently won the American Dental Society Seal of Customer Promotion for giving candy to children.
Thank you for the information, but it would be much better to save your explanations and rebuttals for the jury.
As you wish. We desire only to please the court.
Please instruct the jury to enter.
respect. Pigs get no respect. On February 14th, everybody else gets pink and red hearts. Pigs get Valenswines.
You have been instructed to listen to the evidence and render a fair decision.
Oh yes, we want to assure the court that we'll be fair. And if we can't be fair, we'll certainly be sensible.
Very well. We shall proceed with the charges against the big bad wolf.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but we must again object to our terminology, big and bad, when referring to our innocent young client, Mr. Wolf.
As anyone can plainly see, our client is a simple, plain, and ordinary everyday wolf.
Sit down, all of you, and remain seated until you're asked to rise.
You got it. I'm here to do exactly as told.
Look at that! It's disgusting. Can't you do something?
I protest.
Quiet in the court.
No respect. Pigs get no respect. Any young boy over 10 years old can join the Boy Scouts and be known as a loyal, helpful, trustworthy, but let it be a pig and he is called a snout-hearted fellow.
The three little pigs have charged the big bad wolf with assault and battery, trespassing, and destruction of property.
No, we object.
I object. I object to all of you. I am a sick man.
Hey!
So sick that it would be most difficult to find a verdict in favor of any party who was not in control. Do I make myself clear?
Hey! You want control? You got control. Just say the word, Judge.
I see.
The prosecutor will proceed.
Yes! Get on with it. We're tired of waiting.
Very well then, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, ladies of the jury, worthy defense. You see, each one of these quiet, unassuming pigs were having a quiet evening
Right! Quiet! Did you hear that, Judge? Very quiet.
They were having a quiet evening at home when who should come huffing and puffing at their door?
Your Honor, please. Prosecution is leading the jury to erroneous conclusions by misrepresenting our client. It should be pointed out that the wolf is an avid health advocate.
Huh? Oh yeah, like healthy body, healthy mind.
On the morning of the alleged huffing and puffing, Mr. Wolf was simply jogging.
As he does every morning.
Then why did this jogging lead him straight to the front door of one of these three innocent little pigs, where he not only demanded to be let in, but huffed and puffed and blew the house down?
Huffed and puffed? Really now? He sneezed. That's right. Sneezed. Merely sneezed.
The pig planted goldenrod all along the front yard.
Our client is allergic. Air pollution is a serious problem.
But by working together, we can enact meaningful legislation to prevent fouling our national skies, thus giving renewed hope to those less fortunate, handicapped by the very air they must breathe.
Thereby enhancing the quality of life guaranteed the United States of America.
Silence. Silence in the court.
What is this?
That's not what happened.
That's not what happened at all.
I'll tell you what really happened.
Let me tell. Well, I'll tell. Sit down.
I built my house out of yellow straw, and then through the window the wolf I saw. He said, "Hey pig, better let me in." I said, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin."
And he huffed. And he huffed. And he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down.
I built my house out of wooden sticks. Then came the wolf just looking for kicks. Hey piggy, I'll come and let me in. Said, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin."
And he huffed. And he puffed. And he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down.
I built my house out of big tough bricks, and sure enough came the wolf real quick. He yelled, "Hey pig, I'm a coming in." I said, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin."
And he huffed. And he puffed. And he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house. Huffed and he puffed and he blew the house. Huffed and he puffed and he never blew the brick house down.
Now hold on here. Other than the words of Swinestein, Pigletto, and Marco Porco there, what have you got? Like think, for just a second, what up? The wolf chase after those Pickfield follies when there are so many great chicks like you around?
No respect. Pigs get no respect. To anybody else they ask, "How was your day?" But to a pig it's, "Did you bring home the bacon?"
But every word we uttered was true.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
However, considering what has been said about the wolf, I doubt if the weasels know what truth is.
Oh, Your Honor, ladies and ladies of the jury, you must speak. Truth is never more than an interpretation.
Yes, it's like a dance. The weasel sidestep. When you know you're wrong, you can backstep. When you're in a bind, you can sway. When you stretch the facts, you can zigzag. When you tell a fib, you can stray. Truth is like a dance, you never play it square. Twist and turn and tilt and bend and give it flair. Never step it straight, you gotta deviate. It's the weasel sidestep. When you're called off base, you can backslide. When the truth will hurt, you can curve. When you feel you're trapped, you can change sides. When you change your mind, you can swerve. Truth is like a dance, you never play it square. Twist and turn and tilt and bend and give it flair. Never step it straight, you gotta deviate. It's the weasel sidestep. The weasel sidestep. The weasel sidestep.
There you have it. The weasels tell it like it is, which in my case is good.
I wouldn't believe anything the wolf says, Judge.
Right. He's big and bad and chased me all through the snow.
Quack, tweet, meow.
That's right. I was there. I saw it all. It was the wolf. You hear the wolf.
Yeah, the wolf.
The big, bad wolf.
He chased us too.
Bailiff, who are these people?
Witnesses, Your Honor. Witnesses for the prosecution, Red Riding Hood, Peter, and the boy who cried wolf. Shall I send them out?
No, let's hear them. Let's hear from anybody who knows anything at all about what's going on. Then maybe we can decide this case and I can go home and enjoy being sick. Tell us what you know.
The wolf chased me through the woods.
The wolf chased me through the snow.
Quack, tweet, meow. That's right, the wolf did it, and I saw him. I saw the wolf and I cried, wolf, wolf, and everybody came to help. Yeah, the wolf, the big, bad wolf. He chased us too. Please, if the court will allow a voice of reason, this is the boy who cried wolf. He has cried wolf many times. And if you can recall, the townspeople didn't believe him. We don't believe him either.
Yeah? Well, what about my grandma? I took her a basket of goodies through the woods and to her house. And when I got there, all I found was a wolf propped up in bed eating TV dinner and watching Saturday morning cartoons.
And he chased me all through the woods in the deep snow.
Quack, tweet, meow. The wolf did it. He's the guilty one. The wolf. It was the wolf. I saw it. You can believe me. Yeah, the wolf. The big, bad wolf. He chased us too.
I was going to Grandma's house through the woods one day, when this stranger called to me, "Red, you're going my way." Wolf, it was a wolf. Wolf, the I was in the woods one day, helping to chop trees, when someone sneaked up on me, said to pounce and seize. Wolf, it was a wolf. Wolf, the I went on to Grandma's house, knocked upon the door. This deep voice said, "Come in, Red, you I'm waiting for." Wolf, it was a wolf. Wolf, the I tried hard to run away, stumbled in the snow. When you're chased by one so big, there's nowhere to go. Wolf, it was a wolf. Wolf, the I reached out to kiss Grandma, lying in her bed.
companionship to the otherwise dreary lives of our elderly who are alone and lonely.
As for young Peter, I'm sure the wolf merely wanted to gain his attention in order to tell him to zip up his coat so his grandfather would not be worried about him being in all that blowing snow.
If that's true, then where's my grandma?
Yeah, and my coat had buttons, not a zipper.
Quack, tweet, yeah. I told you, didn't I tell you? It was the wolf. The wolf. Yeah, the wolf. The big, bad wolf.
He chased us too!
Silence! Silence in the courtroom!
Three little pigs accused the big bad wolf of assault, battery, trespassing, and destruction. And so far, the only thing to be tried is my patience. This is not a trial, it's a circus. Spectators yell, the pigs complain, no wonder they get no respect. And the weasels make me believe the world is neither flat nor round but crooked.
Oh, Your Honor, you do us a serious injustice.
We must object to your...
No, The jury acts moonstruck. These three come in here and rave on about something not even related to the charges. And all bailiff can do is pound and pound his gavel. Well, I may be a sick man, but we will decide this case if it has to be in the cemetery. Over my dead body. Wolf, you are the accused. What do you have to say about all this?
Me? You want to hear from me? What can I say? I'm innocent.
No wonder they call us despicable.
Now that we've heard from just about everybody, I think it's time.
Where's the wolf? Oh, there you are.
Grandma, are you all right? Where have you been?
Well, of course I'm all right. I've been gathering up my goodies. The
The wolf promised to take me dancing.
Dancing? Wait a minute. You see, I can't. I hurt my leg jogging over to the pig's house last night. And my left foot is still frostbitten from running after poor Peter, whose coat was unbuttoned in the snow and...
Wait, Grandma, is this right? The wolf promised to take you dancing.
Yes. So I gathered up all my goodies. Oldies, but goodies. I got Lawrence Welk. Guy Lombardo. And
Arrest me, Judge. I'd rather go to jail.
This is the day, we're here to stay. He's got no argument, we know who's innocent. Bop, she bop, bop, babaloo bop, she bop, bop, babaloo bop, she bop, bop, babaloo bop, she bop, bop. We're here in style, here for the trial. He's innocent, you know. Come on and don't be slow. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. We're here to see that there will be no double dealing, no pigs are squealing. Chingity ching ching, ching ching, chingity ching ching, ching ching, chingity ching ching, ching ching, chingity ching ching.